Turbochargers are an important part of the modern diesel engine, from increases in horsepower and torque to improved gas mileage and emissions. They have several advantages that make them popular across a wide variety of vehicles and engines.
Turbochargers work by harnessing energy from exhaust gases to compress oxygen into a high-density air mixture. This dense air is then fed into the cylinder. And when you can get more air into the cylinder, the engine can burn fuel more efficiently and produce more power. When your turbocharger isn't working properly, your engine isn't performing to its best either. When it's time to replace a turbocharger, look for brands with a deep understanding of diesel engine components like FP Diesel.
FP Diesel is a leading aftermarket brand for diesel engine and sealing components, and we've harnessed that expertise in our heavy-duty turbochargers. They're validated by an experienced team of aftermarket engineers to ensure each turbocharger meets OE application requirements for fit, form, function, and performance.
We also know time is money in the repair bay. Installation needs to be fast and simple, so our heavy-duty turbochargers are designed as a direct fit replacement. We also include a high-quality gasket kit in the box, so you've got everything needed for a complete repair.
Maximizing margin on every repair is another important part of the job. FP Diesel heavy-duty turbochargers are a cost-effective alternative to OE replacements, and since they're made with all new components, they're also a reliable, high-quality alternative.
Whether you're running a diesel pickup, a semi-truck, or other large diesel engines, optimal performance depends on optimal airflow.
With FP Diesel, you can count on a repair solution that's engineered to address the unique demands of an engine after thousands of hours of operation. For more information about FP Diesel heavy-duty turbochargers, follow our social channels.